Welcome to Strickland Farms.
Got my big sweet hat on, got my grease catching shirt on. Time to hook up a rake and get ready to bale. Hurricane Ivan's coming. Today's Monday. It's supposed to make landfall, I think, Thursday or something like that. So we got to get everything baled and hauled home. So hurry, hurry, hurry.
All right, everybody, I hadn't brought y'all out yet. We was working out some kinks, some bugs, and talking on the radio and talking on the phone, but we are baling. Moisture's good, 14%, which is perfect. I like 14 to 17. I don't know why, but that's just what I like. The field's still got some holes in it. It's still rough, but hey, we're getting it done. We have baled, I don't know, a lot of the top. We like two more big terraces to be done with the top half, but we're gonna try to build it all. So stay tuned. I'll get some video. I don't know what Daddy's looking for behind that hay bale. Let's see where this bale ends up. Oh, it stopped. It didn't roll off. Cool.
All right, everybody, still baling, but I just boo-booed. When you're not paying attention and you don't stop when the monitor tells you you're full and you get a 62-inch bale, what happens is the main roller right here that takes the hay in, the net wrap hits this instead of the belts, and it pulls the net wrap off and wraps it right there. Luckily, it only did half of it this time, so here, let me zoom in. So that's what happens. So now we get to unroll that bale, another one, and rebale it once I cut all this crap off. So just take a pocket knife, cut it off, pull it off, and it's ready to go again. Just gotta pay attention. All right, it's out. I bet you this thing's every bit of 65 inches tall. There's a good one. But that's what happens when you make it too big a bale. Let's see if there's not any net wrap on this side. Just this side. So I'm gonna pull it off the end, like so. And then when I roll the bale out, I can pick the net wrap up. I think I need a skid steer with a cab, so I don't have to do this. Oh my gosh. The reason for the respirator and the goggles is just to protect my lungs and eyes from all the dust that's stirred up going in and out of the chicken house. There's still a decent amount of chicken litter left on the floor, so it gets pretty dusty. So this is the next day. We ended up having to stop baling hay because William had a football game and we didn't finish that field. So before we started baling again, I decided to go ahead and put the 150 something bales of hay that we had at home in the chicken houses. So just in case we got any weather from Ivan, it would not get rained on, stay dry, stay good quality. So I did a few time lapses, but I didn't do any regular filming, but we'll get back to baling in just a second.
Alright, I'm glad that's over. I got 150 something bales moved in the chicken house. You see where my respirator went and then my goggles went. That's the reason why I wear the respirator and the goggles. Yeah. So that's all put away in case Hurricane Ivan hits here. We get a lot of rain. None of that hay will get wet because it's all in the chicken house now. And that's really good quality hay. So now I'm headed back to that 32-acre field of hay grass that we were baling on yesterday to hopefully finish it today. Gotta take a little break and go pick up my kids, but hopefully we get it finished. Look at this one up here. That respirator. Hey, keeps me from getting a sinus infection. All right, stay tuned. I'm raking. Little Pops is bailing. He's figuring it out. Got a door open for some reason. How many bales you got?
78.
That ain't bad. We'll break 100 on this field.
You gonna bring them back over here?
10 for. Hopefully you'll be done with this field and we can move over to vendors.
I doubt I'll be through the time you get back.
Wishful thinking.
I have to go rake some on the other field to fill this thing up.
That'd be fine. What'd you stop for? It took that one row.
10 rounds. So just shut it down.
Yeah, just pull your throttle down, turn the PTO off, and we'll load it. Loading that route before. Here we go, we're out. Bring y'all back out in a minute. You gotta mash home. Before you start the baler, mash and hold home. Now that closed the cutter bar.
Yeah.
If you would have started the baler, it just went to stripping. All right. All right, that rat's changed. Back to raking. Different. Rubber hole. Shot that one out over there.
Oh, the window's dirtier down.
Mm-hmm.
Window's dirtier down.
Always. You can't keep them clean. over here, zoom in on this. All right, we have one row left, one little short row left, and I'm afraid this is gonna go over 58 inches. So I'm gonna hit pause. I'm gonna hit pause, and it's gonna hold the baler from automatically wrapping until I tell it to go, or either it hits 65 inches. Which if it hits 65 inches, we ain't gonna have no net wrap on the bale, but I'm hoping, you know, it's just over 58, but we'll watch it. Keep them. All right, it's telling me that it's hit its max, and I'm gonna keep going to finish the row out. 63, probably end up being 64. Oh, it's gonna end up being 63. Okay, so I'm done. Scroll out there, show. There is no more hay left to bale. So what I'm gonna do, now that I'm done baling, I'm gonna hit the start button, and now it's gonna wrap it. So that's the way you hold it from wrapping. But like I said, if it would have got to 65, it would automatically start wrapping no matter what, because the monitor knows that that's too big. This thing may not have no net wrap on it when it comes out, but we're gonna dump it over here in the edge of the field, out of the field, just in case. There's it. All right, here we go. We'll see how big this booger is. Ooh, it's got net wrap on it.
Wow, that's surprising.
Nice.
Here's a 63-inch bale compared to a 58-inch bale.
Hold up, still peeing.
What's the hold up?
Still peeing.
What?
Still peeing.
Oh, still peeing.
Hey,
Burning daylight waiting on y'all to pee.
Check our union, man.
William, what y'all should have done is Popper peed and you raked, and then he raked and you peed.
Nah,
Get a little further. Now that we got a battery charger. There was a patch of Johnson grass right there in front of you when I was cutting. I don't know what it's going to look like in a bale. All right, what are y'all's guesses on total bale count on these two little fields?
got two. I'm 25.
All right, William, what's your guess? No, on both fields. What? Attaboy. Hey, film that, him screwing up. That is on film.
Quick thinking there, man.
What are your guesses?
William said 8.
All right, Catherine guessed 8 and I guessed 10.
William wanted 10. I talked him out of it. I don't know. You done got how many bales? 3.
4.
4.
Mine's 7.
He talks. You ask a question and then keep talking. So yours is 7, Williams is 8, Catherine's is 8, mine's 10. I'm fixing to roll out bell number 5.
I didn't think you had 3 of them. Okay, it don't matter. William wanted 10 and I talked him out of it.
Somebody might get lucky with 11 or 12. Huh?
Mine's not shot out the water, so I'll go with 11.
You know, there's 2 bales in the other field. And then there's 3 bales in this field.
William, we bought this.
I didn't even have the mic key. Ah.
I'm gonna play 9.
You can't change a boat.
All right, Catherine and William are at 8. You're at 9. I'm at 10. That's it. No more changing.
Yes.
Change Williams to 11.
All right, so William's at 11 now.
So I'm at 8.
It's a crapshoot now.
I'm at 8.
Bales don't count either.
Me and Catherine did our original guess when we were at 2 bales. So y'all ain't gonna win. It don't matter who guesses it right.
You're gonna start right after the last one.
It's got cheating. Dang, Daddy, you really want me at 10. And I'm gonna lose because I said 8 and then we're at 7.
Yep. We're gonna at least get 9.
So who would win, Papa?
Yep. Nah, we ain't let him win though.
Yeah. Don't let him win.
Williams gonna be 11.
Oh!
What was that?
The tree limb.
Huh?
The tree limb.
Oh, I didn't even see it. I don't know if that's true or not. But tell me.
It's William wavy.
What was that, William?
When you get it, you win. William wants $1.
I'll give him a slick high five.
I'll give him 5. A high 5. See all them weeds right there? I can make them work to get 10. It's a race. Here we go.
Thinking little camera's in the way. Little camera's in the way. Oh no, your beard was in the way. We won! We won!
Bales.
Why, you gonna start running around ranking stuff? I'm at 53 inches right now.
You gonna get it and then have some stuff in the woods.
No, I'm gonna hold it and make it 1 bale. Go real fast. That way maybe it'll make it all the way.
Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Hurry, hurry.
It's gonna be a little too much. All right, everybody. We have moved to the spiker field. I ran over here the other day and cut two passes around the whole field, and then cut the top 2 terraces just to get started on this field because it's 60 acres. So it takes a lot of time to do this one. So we usually, cut a little here, cut a little there, and just work down the field instead of doing it all at one time. So that's what we're baling right now. I haven't cut any more after this because we're waiting to see what the hurricane's going to do. So if the hurricane ends up going east and doesn't come this way, we'll jump back on cutting this field and get this 60 acres knocked out. But we're going to bale this a little bit because it's good and dry. So we probably won't have about 10 or 12 bales in the first 2 terraces and this outside round, but it's all right. We'll get it done.
Look at the beautiful sky. Very pretty. Out in the middle of nowhere in a hayfield. A beautiful afternoon. Man, that is so cool. All right, we're done for the day. We're done, caught up on baling. Just gotta haul this 115 bales in this field. Just gotta haul it home and get it in the chicken house before the storm gets here. So we're gonna leave the tractors and balers over here out in the middle of this field. So in case we do get any wind from the hurricane,
They won't blow a tree on them, or they won't be sitting in a barn blow down on them. Leave them sitting out in the field. So, plus we got a load with my tractor tomorrow. I'm gonna try to get everything hauled home tomorrow. Sure is pretty out here.